I'm Douglas Baldwin, Senior Manager Global Audiology Marketing at Unitron, and my favorite sound is distant thunder. As an audiologist and former clinician myself, my primary task is to be the voice of our customers as we produce and market new products, apps, and software tools. When a new platform is being launched, there is usually a lot of exciting information to share. I think one of my main areas of focus is to make new features and options understandable and relevant to hearing care professionals and their clients. So with Vivante, we build on the success of Blue, making our technology even more compelling with key new features, particularly relevant this time for addressing some of the most challenging situations clients face, specifically conversations in very loud, noisy environments and in the car. Our automatic system, Integra OS, is very sophisticated and starts with accurate classification of the listening environment. From there, rather than just activating one program from a defined list of those available, it can actually blend various listening environments, providing literally thousands of potential combinations, optimized for the constantly changing soundscape. We've been offering a 7-environment system for some time now, with 6 of those environments potentially combining in various blends. Due to its unique characteristics, music has been treated as a distinct environment and continues to be. And we are excited with Vivante to be adding a new 8th listening environment, conversation in loud noise. This unblended environment addresses face-to-face conversations in the most challenging, high-noise settings, employing an aggressive microphone mode new for us called hyperfocus. As the name suggests, hyperfocus applies a highly focused or narrow directional beam to speech from the front. This is accomplished by leveraging the 4-microphone network available with 2 wireless hearing instruments in a binaural fitting. By exchanging audio between them, we can create a narrower beam than is otherwise possible. This allows the listener the best opportunity to improve the signal-to-noise ratio for face-to-face conversations in very noisy situations. Hyperfocus can be activated automatically within the new conversation and loud noise environment of Integra OS, and it is also available as a manual program that the hearing care professional can configure in TrueFit, or the wearer can select and modify it as an optional app program from the Remote Plus app. Cars create rather unique and challenging listening situations, particularly for those sitting in the front seat with passengers to the side or the back. When trying to understand speech in the car, there's typically road noise and engine noise, reverberation, and other acoustics that can be quite different from noise in a crowd or a party. And most directional systems that do not know where speech is coming from will do nothing much at all, or will simply activate some kind of forward directionality, which can actually make things worse, not better, for the listener trying to have conversation in the car, particularly if they are driving and cannot turn to face the speaker. So with Vivante, we are introducing a new manual program created specifically for this uniquely difficult acoustic environment, leveraging the speech location functionality we already employ in Autofocus 360, but with modifications to the detection algorithm specific to the variable car acoustics. We can quickly and accurately identify where the speech is coming from and automatically focus the directional system accordingly. So Vivante wearers can simply activate the 360 Conversation in Car program and just enjoy the banter of a road trip, and even personalize the sound experience further in the Remote Plus app. Directional microphone and wireless technologies have made it possible to continually improve performance in even the most challenging situations. Vivante has taken that to the next level yet again, particularly for conversations in very loud noise and in the car. I know that no 2 clients are alike. And that's the beauty of Vivante, which is ultimately about accommodating each individual's own unique listening lifestyle, with performance and personalization options that deliver the sounds of the good life, no matter where your clients are off to next.